How to use credit balance in Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use credit balance in Temu. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, Temu credit balance is automatically applied at checkout. So you just need to make sure it's enabled before placing your order. And here is how you can do it. So first thing first, open the Temu on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply browse like you normally would. And after that, you can simply add or just tap on add to cart on the item that you want to buy. And now here, once you have added the item to your card, then you simply have to tap on the card icon, and now after that you simply have to tap on checkout. And now here on the payment screen you see credit available or credit applied or use credit option. So there you just have to turn on or check the box that says apply credit, and Temu will automatically subtract your credit balance from your total. And if you don't see the toggle, then you can simply scroll down to the order summary, and there you can simply tap on credits and enable apply. And after credits are applied, you can choose your payment method and pay only the remaining amount, if any. And after that, you can simply tap on place order, and your Temu credits are now used successfully. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.